Okay, so good morning or good afternoon depending kung saan kayo nanonood. Um, Basically, the background nitong cold email na to ay Anonymous is newbie cold email marketer, and first time that they're launching their cold emails for their company. They have high open rates. Almost all of the emails, although there is no number as to how many they sent. It could be like five, and then like and basically dahil halos lahat siguro sabihin natin mga 20 gano'n. Then almost all nag-open. What is that? 90%, 95%. Um, okay 'yun kung gano'n, and then that's great. I followed the courses given to me, pina-check. Actually, yes, halata na courses ito. Even yung cadence ng sinulat mo ay medyo pamilyar para sa akin. Now, that's the thing with courses, tapos pupunta tayo diyan saglit. Very anxious tuloy, pina-check ko and okay naman daw. Against what, sukat, against what measure, yung measure ng courses? If these are templates, and I would call them templates, that you got from your courses, then opo, then that should be okay if you checked it from their end, because this if this is the template that they're using and that's the template that you're using as well from learning from their courses, then they would say that definitely that's okay. The thing is, dapat parating may kasunod doon. That's okay, but always A/B test, because the market or your audience might decide na this is not for me, this is not okay. So A/B testing is very important. Pero gusto ko po matuto, pero hindi ko alam saan ako hahanap ng courses or kung ano man. Ito po yung sample ng email draft na ginawa ko sa help, please criticize me and give me tips. It would really mean a lot. Okay, so um, isa akong newbie cold email marketer. I think dapat mong ma-differentiate. Are you into email marketing? Are you into cold email lead generation? So there's a difference. Magkaibang department 'yan. If you were at the office, in office ka, there's a sales department and there's a marketing department. Magkaibang department 'yan. In perfect world, yan ay nagtutulungan, sales and marketing ay nagtutulungan. Pero in our world, although hindi ko alam kung bakit, there seems to be a bit of konting parang politics between sales department and the marketing department because of the differences ng approach. So that's why you have to be very aware. What are you ba? Ikaw ba ay kagaya ko na nagli-lead gen, nagco-cold email, sending out cold emails, o ikaw ba ay email marketer na nandito ka sa group ni Coach Alan na ito ay email marketing na group. Pero right now, we're talking about cold emails because you're trying to generate leads. Differentiate yang what you do here, what we're talking about right now, to cold, oh, not cold marketing, to email marketing. Alamin mo ang pagkaiba niyan, and then when you're wearing the shoes na appropriate para nasaan ka ba, outbound lead generation or nasa sales ka ba or nasa marketing ka ba. So mayroon kang rules na fina-follow. Ang isang, for example, differences ng rules sa email marketing at sa cold emailing is yung parati kong sinasabi, yung 50 words or less. Hindi natin masyadong pupuntahan into detail bakit 50 words or less, pero right now kita mo 'tong template mo, maikli din siya, maikli din siya. Pero again, the audience adjusts sa gusto nilang basahin, and right now 50-word emails get a bit more response rates kasi mas mabilis mo siyang basahin. That's the short of it. I followed the courses, yes, opo. Ito actually yung quick question na yan ay templated subject line yan that has been around maybe 2017. So 2017 pa yung subject na yan. If you get old recipients, kagaya ko, medyo ano na, hindi na bata, meron, alam na namin yan, nakita ko na yan, ginawa ko na yan 2017, quick question. Dati napakalakas niyan. So open rates, partly para sa iyong current na audience, mataas ang open rates niya kasi binuksan niya. Yun nga, maglagay ka ng first line, hindi na namin gaanong ginagawa yan ngayon. Kasi that actually drives down um, open rates, and it also drives down response rates. So nakakaapekto yan. Maaaring inopen nila pero naapektuhan yung response rates mo kasi gawa nung mga previous practices na ginagawa mo. Perhaps yung iyong course ay maybe 5 years old na. If we're thinking about the same course, I think baka 5 years old na yan. So it's different na. Nag-a-adjust. I always say sa mga nagse-sales, sa nagli-lead gen, to always be above or ahead ng konti ng trend. Okay, moving on. So yun nga, pina-check mo. Again, pina-check mo siya sa ang alam nila ay itong mga ito. So ang sa akin, ang papalitan ko diyan is yung 50-word limit. At dun sa pag-discipline mo, when you adhere to the 50-word limit, siguro mag-75 ka 'pag medyo talagang hirap ka dun sa 50-word limit. The thing is 'pag ginawa mo yun, mas nakokontrol mo yung mga bagay na nilalagay mo at mas nadidiscipline ka sa iyong mga sinasabi as opposed to email marketing where you can write yung long form, and then even then sa sales pages, mas mahaba yung sinusulat natin, mas effective. So let's go ahead dito sa iyong hindi ko papalitan ng subject mo at the moment kasi you said ito ay gumagana. So kaya nga kailangan ko ng numbers. We need numbers, naghahanap din si Coach Alan ng numbers. So we need numbers kung gaano 'to karami. I'm reaching out because I want to tapos ngayon ito na ang gagawin natin. How long is your personalization? Pakiramdam ko ito ang isa sa bukas ng email mo, depende sa quality ng ano mo, ng presentation mo. I have this kasama si Brian GPT, and he does impersonalization for us, and it drives our open rates up to 95 to 95 up to 100% na open rates. So maaaring ito ay gumagana. We'd like to know more kung gusto mo about paano mo ginagawa 'yan. Tapos ang isa mong gagawin para matanggal mo yung yung kunwari ikaw si Adrian, para matanggal mo yung no na responses or blank responses, ibig sabihin yung hindi sila nag-respond, is patataasin mo. Okey ka na sa open rates, eh, nakakapasok ka na sa inbox apparently. Ikaw din ay mataas na open rate, sabi mo, "We need numbers, we would love the actual numbers na makuha namin." So hindi ko gagalawin 'tong mga first parts na ito. So ang problema mo is not yung open rates, not kung binabasa siya o hindi, kundi yung response rates. One of the things that I would change immediately is, 'wag mo agad halikan yung kliyente mo. Hindi mo pa nga siya kliyente, eh. Nangangamusta ka pa lang, hinahalikan mo na. Okay, paano ko po siya hinahalikan? Eh, siya po ay nasa screen. Eto, you have 15 minutes so we can do the same thing. Tinatanong mo na siya ng bagay na hindi niya gustong gawin. 15 minutes agad. Hindi mo pa nga alam kung interesado siya tapos 15 minutes agad siya. Always ang isang fantastic avenue for starting conversations is yung quickest path to conversations or least resistance sa conversation. 'Pag mapa-respond mo agad sila, 'pag makita mo yung kanilang interest, then that's where you sort of like magdadagdag ka pa ng the moves. So paano natin tatanggalin 'to? Kunwari without reading your email yet, ang isang immediate yan without you reading, would. Would you be interested in this? Huwag mo agad silang tanungin ng meeting, huwag mo agad silang pa-committin ng kung ano-anong pinapa-commit mo. Kaya tapos ang nilagay mo pang mas enticing na offer ay yung no. Kasi ayoko ng meeting, eh, so no. Hindi naman pala ikaw puwedeng bastang kausapin, parang gano'n. So what you wanna do is meet them in the middle. Kausapin mo lang muna sila, "Would this be an interest of you?" Kung gusto niyo pa dahil nagpapaikli tayo, worth a chat. Again, everything is worth A/B testing. Kailangan mong A/B test 'yan. So look for interest muna. Ito, kilala ko 'to, eh. Kilala ko 'tong process ng pagsusulat ng cold email na 'yan. If I'm not mistaken, gwapo 'tong coach mo dito na taga US. So, pag siya nga yung nakikita mo sa video, so ito ay old course na, I think like 5 years ago. So, meron diyang mga bagay na medyo outdated na ginagawa. Katulad nun yung nag-a-ask kayo for a meeting, wag mo ng kiss. Oo, pinapa-book mo pa, siya pa pinapa-book mo. Mas maganda sana kung magsasabi na lang siya na, "Okey, ganito, ganyan, interested ako." Then ikaw na magbo-book para sa kanya. Kasi pinadami mo yung trabaho niya. So, without reading again, okay, so yung mga suggestions ko also templated, papansinin niyo, pero they are bound by yung new foundationals, yung mga bago ngayon. Okay, balik tayo dito. I'm reaching out because I want to tapos ngayon, i-mi-minimize mo na yung iyong word count because that drives, saan yung word count? That drives, so 61. So you want it under 50. May personalization ka ba? Sabihin natin, ang personalization mo mahaba. She sells. She seashells. Bakit yung ano, mahirap pang sabihin ng tinype ko? She sells seashells at the seashore. At the seashore. Okay. So papansin mo, when you add a personalization, Control Shift, ano ba to? Control Shift C. Tumaas pa. Especially kung mas mahaba yung ano mo. So what you wanna do, what I suggest everybody does is remove yung fluff. I'm reaching out. Yung haba niyan, I'm reaching out. Nagre-reach out ka na talaga eh. You're stating the obvious. So, wag mo nang ilagay yon. I'm reaching out. Want to help business like yours boost your online presence up to 3 times. Reaching out. O ito, template na to. Pag dahil something becomes a template, pag ginagaya na ng iba, na halos ang pinapalitan lang ay kapiraso without understanding yung foundationals na to. There's, I think, ilang libong members ang nandito sa group na ito. So if I put this here, it's like, hey, that's fantastic. I'm gonna use that. So, nagiging pare-parehas na. Anyways, let's move forward. It's just a warning para hindi kayo mag-adhere masyado sa template. A template should help you create more quality, not create a huge amount of bad email. Ganyan. Ang template should help you create more quality email, not help you create a huge number of bad email. Reaching out because we help businesses like yours. Our premium services. Siyempre ibebenta mo yung sarili mo. Oh. Bakit kita pogi ako eh, parang gano'n. Yun ang inaano mo, hindi. Pansin mo pag lumalapit ka, pag may kinakausap ka, unless you're female, may kinakausap ka, it's not always gano'n agad ang approach mo. You have to do it strategically. Reaching out because we help businesses like yours boost their online presence up to 3x. Here's another thing with fluffing your sentences. Pinapahaba niyo masyado, pinapaarte niyo masyado. Minsan you're saying the same thing twice. Balik tayo, copy ko to para mabilis. Reaching out because ano yan? Ano yung pinakauna mo kanina? I'm reaching out. So inuulit mo yan. Parang you're stating the obvious. So if you want to say that, yan na lang, reaching out. Ikaw kasi nag-reach out eh. Ikaw yung nagsasalita doon. Boost your online presence for up to 3 times. Boost. Gets niyo? Boost at boost. Business like yours, 3 times their online presence. Using, pwedeng ganito, using your own branding and content. So, sila ang bida. Sila ang bida. Sila ang nililigawan mo, sila ang bida, hindi ikaw yung bida. Oh. Without ads. I'd say A/B test it. Lagay mo dito or not. Two words lang naman eh. So it might be too long. Reaching out because we help businesses like yours boost. Galing mo na yung boost. 2 boosts na yan. Like yours, 3 times their online presence using your own branding and content. Period. Without ads. Para hindi masyadong mahaba yung sentence mo. Control Shift C. 57. Okay, sorry. Okay, we work with brands, big brands like McDonald's. Malaki ang brand na yan ng McDonald's. Hindi yan maliit. Fluff. You're saying the same thing. You're repeating yung bagay na alam na ng mga tao. We worked with. Oh, kita mo. We worked with. Ano sabi nung kausap mo? Yung nag-teach sa'yo, okay na daw. So that's what I mean. Not to be flippant or not to be parang mayabang. Kasi kino-compare mo yung results na yon dun sa kanilang parang barometer o dun sa kanilang panukat. Kaya pag parang galing siya dun sa template, lalo na 5 years old na, edi nag-a-adjust yan sa parang ganon. Okay, I think itong coach na to, nagpapa-attach pa nga siya ng PDF. Minsan tinanong ko siya, ano ang data mo with regards to attaching a PDF na agad sa email as opposed to asking them if they want to see a PDF or not. Hindi ako sinagot. Reaching out because we help businesses like yours 3x their online presence using your own branding and content. There palang pinag-uusapan, ano? Using their. We worked with McDonald's, so that's a fact. After working with us, oo nga, nag-work na nga sa inyo eh. So kung mahina puso nyo, okay sa akin magpapakritik. After working with us, pero mabait ako. After working with us, their sales and customer attention boosted by in just 35 days. You worked with McDonald's. You know what? We did this. In 35 days. Okay na sila yan. Subject line, A first name. Nasaan na tayo? Control Shift C. So you have 51 of 131. Okay, so I think that's hindi na masyadong ano yun. Hindi na masyadong mahaba yun. Malapit na siya sa 50. Let's not be too strict para doon. We did this for McDonald's and increased their sales. And customer retention by 18%. Okay yan. Or kung gusto mo, babaan mo ito para hindi masyado mahaba. Let's focus on sales lang. And then use the customer retention dun sa next email mo. When you're using email, wag lahat ng features ilagay mo agad yan. Put the features that they really want to talk about, that they would respond to the most in front of them as soon as possible, and then follow up with the other features. Their sales. Increase their sales up 18%. Increase their sales. Baka may mas magandang verbiage ka para dito. Dahil ang dami kong iniisip at nagsasalita pa ako at nagmamadali pa ako, ay pangit yung grammar ko. You have to understand, ito pa isa, hindi tayo native English speakers. So when you write your copy, have somebody else read it. Pabasa mo sa kanila ng naririnig mo. That's a veteran tip. Pabasa ninyo ng naririnig nung mo. Para parang okay, parang ano yan, parang tunog mayabang, tunog ano, ganito. So, and even better if it's a room of copywriters. So it's even better pag ganun. Reaching out because we have businesses like yours 3 times their online presence using their own branding content without ads. We did this for McDonald's and increased their sales up in just 35 days. Increased sales up. Increased sales 18%. Pwede yatang wala tong app na. We did this for McDonald's and increased sales. We worked for McDonald's. We worked with McDonald's, increased sales up 18%. Gusto mo, anuin mo rin yun. Parang emphasis sa ano, in just 35 days. In only 35 days. Siguro, only. It's better. So, more conversational yung inyong pag-uusap. Okay, following the rules na nandito. Nope. I-thread mo siya. I-reply mo siya doon. Kung mataas ang open rates noon, apparently bubuksan pa nila ulit yon. Thread the whole email, papunta pabalik doon. I noticed what? Na-notice mo rin na hindi niya binuksan or hindi siya nag-reply. So, ba't mo pa ilalagay yan? And I really wanted to help you out. Siyempre, kikita ka eh. Kunwari ako yung client. Siyempre, kikita ka. Oh, buti kung libre yung inaalok mo. So, ilan yan? Control Shift C. 57. 41. One of our clients right now. Pwede mo iwan yung just. Just 30 days. And I want to do the same thing to you. Again, inuulit mo. I want to help you out, want to make money out of you, want to make money from you, etc., 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 etc. I want to make you my client. Paano kung sangkaterba kayong nanliligaw sa kanya? So, puro kayo pogi. Doesn't matter. Parang ganon. So, parang kahit pogi ka, dahil gusto mong manligaw, doesn't immediately say na ikaw ang kanyang sasagutin. Same thing if it was reverse. This be of interest to you. So, bumaba ng bumaba. Ito lang ang value na meron dun sa email mo kanina. Ito lang. So, bale 21 words. Lahat ng nilagay mo kanina ay bagay na hindi mo kailangan. So, ang mga suggestion ko, ano pang ilalagay mong first sentence dito? Yun assignment ko para sa'yo. Ano pa ilalagay mo dito ang first sentence? To connect yung interest niya from your previous email, pupunta dito. Para hindi naman saka na lang nagparada ng isang feature na ginawa niyo ulit. Try and link the whole emails together. That will come from doon sa iyong mga assets din sa loob. Are you going to talk about results ulit? Are you going to talk about features ulit? Are you going to talk about another pain point? So that's up to you. Tapos, I suggest testing. A/B testing kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. Okay. So, ito yan. So, ano yung pinag-usapan natin? 50 words. Cut the fluff. Cut the cheche bureche na paulit-ulit. Don't ask for a meeting, ask for interest. Pag nag-usap na kayo niyan, mas madali mo nang pabunutin ng Calendly yan. When doing the second email in your sequence, i-thread mo, tanggalin mo yung subject line. Nakikita sa reply dun sa previous email mo para nagdudugsong-dugsong. Hindi siya maghahanap ng email niya ng nakalipas. Ano pa ba? Okay. Another thing, practice. And have your team read out kung ano yung sinulat mo sa room para mapakinggan nila, ops, baduy, etc. So mabibigyan ka nila ng feedback at para mas effective yung email na pinapadala mo. Anything else? Parang wala ako masyadong masuggest dito dahil una, nagsisimula ka pa lang and you're using a template. Templates are good help sa simula pero understand what your audience needs. As a template, that was the whole template na ginamit mo is a bit yung email one, is average to a bit above average in success rates compared to other emails na nakita ko. I know the person na nagsisend na naging course coach yata nito unless I'm mistaken. Kung hindi, that proves my point. They're teaching similar things. So they're teaching similar things. Quick question, 2017 yan. Ginamit namin lahat yan. Kung 2018 siguro yun din ituturo ko sa inyo. Email to, subject line, ita-thread mo. Okay. That's it. That's it for now. And I hope that helps. Again, keep it under 50. That alone, keeping it under 50 will make sure na yung email ay efficient. And even if they read it once at accidentally, they would understand the whole thing. Kung hindi man sila interested nung una makipag-usap sa'yo, pero dahil nabasa nila bigla sa cellphone nila ng biglaan ng isang tinginan, like, that could pick curiosity. That could elicit a response para sa iyo. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully this gets you more responses dun sa iyong code email. Thank you very much, and God bless.